Buying and selling a home is an exciting time, but there can be pitfalls for unsuspecting consumers. The American Land Title Association wants homeowners and sellers to be aware that criminals are using wire fraud schemes to steal money meant for home purchases or the proceeds from the sale of the property. Criminals often begin the wire fraud process by using email messages, website forms, or phone calls to steal your email login and password information. Then, hackers will monitor your email messages to learn if you are involved in a real estate transaction. If you are, criminals will email you fraudulent wire transfer instructions disguised to appear as if they came from a professional you're working with. If you receive an email with wiring instructions, don't respond. If you take the bait, your money could be gone in minutes. Here are 4 tips to protect against wire fraud. Call, don't email. Confirm all wiring instructions by phone using the phone number from the title company's website or a business card. If you received an email about changing wire instructions, do not call the number in the email. Be suspicious. It's unusual for title companies to change wiring instructions and payment info. Confirm everything. Ask your bank to confirm the account number and also the name on the account before sending a wire. Verify immediately. You should call the title company or real estate agent to validate that the funds were received. If you have been targeted by a scam, you should immediately call your bank and ask them to issue a recall notice for the wire transfer. Report the crime to ic3.gov. Call your regional FBI office and local police. For more on the closing process, go to homeclosing101.org.